Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, look at how to check if we have Python 3 installed in our system. It's my assumption that you use the instructions provided in the last video to install and set up Python 3 in your system, and you now have it in your machine. So you can drop into the terminal. I am in the terminal here. I'll be using a Mac throughout this video course, but if you're on another system like Windows or Linux, it is still easy for you to follow along comfortably. If probably you don't know how to work with the terminal that is provided in your system, you can easily find information on that. What is needed is just some basic commands for you to be able to follow along comfortably. So I have opened the terminal here, and to check if I have Python 3 installed in my system, we can check for the version. If we have it, the command will give us the version that we are on. So we can type Python and then --version. So that has given me Python 2.7.15. So if I want to check for Python 3, I can append a 3 at the word Python. And if I have Python 3, it will give me the version that I have in my system. So I have Python 3.6.6. Now that we have Python 3 installed correctly in our system, we will pick up from this in the next video and drop into actual code. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.